Welcome guys to another video of Near Motorsport. Me and my helpers over here are going to be helping to wash the parts of the scooter and the moped.
Yeah.
Well, same thing. But alright, let's get right into it. So what we're going to do first, before the engine bay and stuff, is spray it, everything, with the water hose. Everything. So, everything, you gotta wash. And if you open the cabin for the seat, right here, is dirty as well. So, I need to clean that as well. Like that. Just like that, you gotta clean it. But you gotta rub it with the sponge. That's when they come in. Alright guys, get the sponge and start cleaning. The sponge. What helpers. Look at that. This guy's helping. Good job. Oh, make sure to take all the water out, so make sure to do that as well. Alright, you'll continue to do that. Alright, now we're gonna do a video montage right now. Now the next thing we're going to need to do is clean this side, but we're going to have to take out all this debris that's in here. So how are we going to do that? Oh, okay. We can take out the whole thing. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to take out this whole panel. And then another thing we need to do, is you see I have a piece of paper towel there. Put something to cover the intake. Like a rubber glove for example, which I'm going to put in there. And it's going to seal it, and no water will come into the intake. And this, I mean, you can clean it off anyways. That's pretty much it. And then you're free to clean now. So let's get back to cleaning, and we're going to take this panel off. So I had to redo this panel because I thought this side was clean. So I just cleaned the bottom, but no. So I took, because apparently just to take this part out, you have to take the bottom piece out and the whole frame out. So I was like, you know what, might as well, you know, deep cleaning. It's gonna be nice and new. So let's start with this one now. Put it. So I finally got the last part that was washed. Finally, I finished. So I'm gonna put that right there to dry on top of the seat. Now it's time to clean up the engine. I'm gonna go eat real quick and then we'll start this. But it's fairly simple. You'll need a brush though. The same toothbrush will work fine. But yeah, just to clean the engine bay. Also, I was thinking of spray painting that, so stay tuned though. Alrighty. Clean this, everything, alrighty. Oh, so as you saw, I cleaned everything of the frame. Now it's time to clean the engine bay, which I already almost cleaned the whole valve cover, almost all. But what we're gonna do is remove the intake box, or the filter box, and remove it out. So there's only one bolt that's holding this right now, and it's right there, that thing right there. So I gotta get my impact, get it right there, drill it out. Make sure you don't lose the bolt, and you just pull out on this. You should. Here, maybe it's still a little screw in there. Here. Yeah, no, it's not. It wasn't coming out all the way. So, okay. Let me take the whole screw out, and then I'll let you know. Okay, so I got the bolt out, and it was a 5/16 millimeter bolt. So it just comes straight out. Oh wait, we forgot this tube that connects right here. Hold on, let's see. Okay, so it should just pop out. You gotta put the clamp, that clamp thing, you gotta take it out. And as we saw from the last video, it's super easy to take out this clamp just with 2 fingers. So, and then I'm gonna have to get a flathead and pull it out. So I'll let you know. So I got the whole intake box out. So that's out of the way so we can easily clean what's in there. So right there, as you can see, there's a lot of grease and debris right there. So with the toothbrush, you get that out, all this, and then you should be good to go. So I'm going to time-lapse this because I don't want you, like, I'm sure y'all don't want to see me going through the process because it takes me a while to clean all this. So I'll time-lapse this, alrighty? Let's go. So check out the before and the after. Wow, it looks so nice now. So now what I'm gonna have to do is cause I'm deep cleaning this, so I'm gonna take out the fuel tank. That's rusty and dirty as well. Clean the gas cap, clean everything. And let's preview that as well. Let's put in time lapse. But everything's going well. And after this, you have to dry everything. Everything by hand you have to dry because there's gonna be like these watermarks and you don't want that. So, all right, let's get to it. So I finally got the gas tank out. There's no gas going through the that little pump that it has, so that means that's clogged. There's no gas running through here either. So I'll see what's going on. In the meantime, gotta clean up, you know. Alrighty, let's do it. Now that I have everything clean and the gas tank is being basically like drained because of the rust, we're gonna have to put all the parts besides the one back here all together. So the front parts, period. So let's go do that real quick, really fast. So you can't see it right now, but I put the whole front part all in, but tomorrow or another day I'm gonna resume this video and show y'all.